Today, the lecture on the Elisha and a rich woman. The Elisha was living in Carmel, Mount of Carmel, and he used to come in town named Shunem. There was a rich woman who helped him meal and arrange a room for staying him for him. Then when he promised that she will bore the son for her, she bore the son as far as Elisha's. But as soon the days gone or years gone, the son died miraculously. Then he called Elisha for help. Then Elisha told, "Take my stick and hold on the dead body," but that doesn't work. Then when Elisha arrived, he went alone in the room and saw the body lying dead in his bed. He closed the door and prayed to the God. Prayed to the God. Then he lay on the boy. He did twice, and at last boy sneezed 7 times and opened his eyes. Elisha called Gehazi, his servant, called the boy's mother, and when she came, Elisha said, "Here is your son." She fell at Elisha's feet, with the within her feet touching the ground. Then she took her son and left. This is a simple story depicted in the Bible. This is a trust of the rich woman. Being a rich woman, it is not a crime or something. Being a rich woman, but having a faith in God and faith in saints, it is makes happy, live the happy life. That lady or woman had no son, and Elisa used to come to her house and stayed with him and have a meal with her. But she didn't ask that, give me son or something. But God seen her inner need, and through Elisha he told that next year or next season you will bear the son. So one thing is that we should depend on God, depend on mercy, depend on His providence, depend on His planning. Other thing is that the rich woman who prayed God and trust that Elisha and living, she said, "It is a living God, I'll trust you." And she kneeled down, touched his feet, touched the ground. That way he showed all the faith in the God. And other thing is that when Elisha was praying, he prayed for the miracle. He was not depending on his righteousness, not his what is that, personal devotional religious, personal righteousness, personal piety, personal good deeds or something. He depended on God and he kneeled down and prayed to God to have a life in that son. Other thing is that Elisha not staying in having a good times in Carmel mountain. He always used to go to town to give the good faith of Jewish faith, spread the faith of Jewish faith as per God's law. Our pastors, our priests or something, they are very happy in their house or happy in their rooms. They are not visiting many parishioners, many poor people, what they need, what they lacking. They simply have their weekly prayer, that's all. But Elisha showed that he goes town to town, to spread the Jews' faith or God's faith to the Israelites and needy. Other thing is that this women's ministry, we have to take that they didn't name that woman. They say only Shahanun's woman. They said that is that rich woman. In Bible, many women's name was not indicated, but particularly because there was some what is that? They got some profession or some hidden thing that they could not highlight the women. They will not give the permission to women to pray or permission to women have even the synagogue, even to house of God or something. But they only have the they should not come into the public place when 80 years women or old women or widow women, they have the only got the permission to enter the house of the Lord, but not young women or married women will come to house of the Lord. It is their personal ethical laws of Jews, and they were observing very well. Nowadays also, these laws are observed by many churches, many denomination, which many male persons are always like me, always preaching, always teaching, but women are not forthcoming to the teach to serve the Lord in evangelical. But in hidden Bible, he has given many stories. Many women are in Bible, those who help to increase our faith, trust, and dependency on God. This women's ministry has one message that women should come forth in the church literacy, teaching, even preaching, and they can do the God's work. And many times, as Jewish laws in New Bible means Bible also they have not mentioned any lady's name, only that woman at the well. Then Magdalena is not the name of that lady, that her name was different. It is a name of her residence. Even those who are helping Jesus Christ and disciples, there only 2-3 ladies' names are there because they are very wife of big shots. Others ladies' names are disclosed, and particularly they disclose and not mentioned in Cana, the Cana where did Jesus did the first miracle. There you come to know that Jesus asked by Mary, mother of Jesus, they don't have any wine. So he heard the request of his mother. Since he also told that, what is to you? My time has not come yet. Means that is that law of Moses, that Judaism is very strict that time, and women it doesn't consider in open public or come forth for the giving message of God. But this women ministry, we give emphasis on women's not right, but that they should come to the preaching, teaching, social work, hospital, and even in the philanthropic work we have to do. This is for today.